This is my project, Zigbee based energy meter reading on PC. My project is divided into two main units. This is transmitter unit and this is receiver unit. On transmitter unit, it consists of several modules, which are, this is load resistance of 200 watt, this is electronic energy meter, this is microcontroller system, this is LCD driver, this is Zigbee module of transmitting side. On receiver side, there are four main modules, which are, this is power supply module, this is RS-232 interfacing module, this is receiver Zigbee module, and this is PC on which data will be displayed. Now let us see the interfacing on transmitter side. This load resistance is connected to this energy meter through this wire. This energy meter is connected to this microcontroller system through this pin, and this Zigbee module is connected to this microcontroller system through this pin. This LCD driver is connected to this microcontroller system. This is 12 volt DC supply for this microcontroller system. On receiver side, this 9 volt DC battery is connected to this power supply module. This power supply module is connected to this RS-232 interfacing module. This RS module is connected to this receiver Zigbee, and this RS module through this serial port to USB cable is connected to this PC. Now let us see the working of this whole system. When we are giving the supply to this transmitter unit, bulb is getting on. The reading of this bulb is going into this energy meter. From this energy meter, the reading is going to the microcontroller system, and through this microcontroller, the reading is going into this LCD screen where it is displaying. And through this microcontroller, reading is going to this Zigbee module where it is transmitted in the open air, and then on receiver side, this Zigbee is receiving the data and sending the data into this RS module. Through this USB to serial port cable, the data is going to this PC where it is displaying. We can see here that the reading of the bulb is in kilowatt hour, and by the time as the bulb is getting hot, the reading is getting increased. So in my project, I am transmitting the reading of this bulb through this Zigbee wirelessly in the open air, and receiving the reading on the receiver side and displaying on this PC. So like this, we can send low data rate signals and text messages through this Zigbee to one or more computer in personal area networking. Thank you.